Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.3.18. Next, in part 4, enter shelf dimensions. Shelves are the last component in this application. Shelves are fabricated separately from the fixture cabinet. In part 3, the focus was on dimensions of the parts that are included on the cost workup sheet 2 DOR S1 BSE A or L LWR. That is, Format 2 Door Section 1 Base All or Left Lower. That cost workup sheet is Format 2 for the door component in the first section. Cost workup sheet Format 2 is designed to emphasize the characteristics of doors. In part 4, the focus is on dimensions of the parts that are included on the cost workup sheet 4 SHLF S1 BSE A or L LWR. That is, Format 4 Shelf Section 1 Base All or Left Lower. That cost workup sheet is Format 4 for the shelf component in the first section. Cost workup sheet Format 4 is designed to emphasize the characteristics of shelves. Just like the base and door dimensions, the shelf dimensions are entered on the project dimension sheet. This example 1.3.18 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.4.01.